Today's top tip is all about evaluating your beliefs and changing them so that they serve you. In research, academia, and postgraduate studies, there are some common beliefs. I'm going to give you a few examples. Successful people think they are better than others. I don't want to be like that. I'm just not the type of person who can get up early to meet a deadline, so I'll never be able to do a master's. Only selfish mothers do PhDs because you are investing time in yourself and not in your kids. Now let's see how we can reflect on these beliefs and change them so that they serve you better. Firstly, write down your beliefs, whether they are about success, achieving your goals, earning money, relationships, or whatever else. Then reflect on them. Are they true? And formulate new beliefs. Let's see how we can change this first belief. The old belief was, successful people think they are better than others. I don't want to be like that. Upon reflection, you can write down, but I also know many successful people who are humble and role models to others. And then you write down your new belief. I want to be successful so that I can use my success to impact the lives of others. Here's another example. The old belief was, I'm just not the type of person who can get up early to meet a deadline, so I'll never be able to do a master's. Upon reflection, you may write, but I can adapt my schedule so that I can work at times that works best for me, and over time I'll get used to getting up early. And then the new belief. Enrolling for my master's will boost my career and is therefore worth putting in the extra effort to change my old habits. And here's the third one. The old belief, only selfish mothers do PhDs because you are investing time in yourself and not your kids. Upon reflection, you may write, but the PhD will only last a few years, will attract many opportunities for the family, and with good planning, I'll still be able to spend quality time with my kids. And the newly formulated belief. Doing a PhD while having kids requires good planning, but it will bring opportunities for the family and will be worth it in the end. So get going. Write down your beliefs, reflect on them, and formulate new beliefs. Enjoy it.
If you found this video helpful, smash the like button. For more useful tips to boost your research experience, subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. And while you're at it, hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I produce a new video. If you need a solution to a challenge not yet covered on my channel, leave a comment in the box below. See you in the next video.